Всем привет, с вами День Апана. Сегодня я покажу стикман самолета. Тут всего 4 позиции. Я использую... Это мы пропустим. Ось первая позиция.
Check, this is Charles. Thought I'd give you a tip. There's a guy down there, a bad guy. So, yeah. Good luck.
О, постукать. А ну-ка. О, блин. Так. Бомбочка. Красиво было и очень смешно. Ладно. Кислота падает и все.
How are you liking it? Hey, good job there. Oh, so we should probably look for something incriminating. Something that we can use to prove that they're criminals, you know? I mean, the whole point of this operation. Alright, gentlemen, we've been tasked with developing new weapons for the clan. Any ideas? I was kind of thinking.
Так, а ну-ка, что-то... Это никак нельзя пропустить. Блин. Тоненький слишком мир. Ладно, клей ПВА, социально заклей. Руки намазал. Ого.
No, we can't do that. Why not, man? You do realize how much a solid gold cannon would weigh, don't you? Dude, we totally got enough power. What do you think, man? Well, I'm still kind of new here, so I'm not really sure what to say. Oh, hey, you see that record sign? Where it says records? That'd probably be a good place to look, right? Let me just, help you get across that gap. Huh?
Берем четвертое.
Alright, here I come.
Блин. Вот какие на тарану. Так, о, палечка.
Okay, let me just teleport this thing in here for you.
Красиво. Хуйня.
Alright, here it comes.
Ладно, похуй.
Pardon. Okay. Sounds like I knows that open the door. Yeah, well, just let me take care of this. Stands this.
Это. Ха, сейчас берем пулю.
Alright, get to bring out the big guns. Hey, you should be good to go now.
Себя убил.
Wow, this guy really is a moron. Can't believe he does not open the door. Whoops.
О, блин! Да ну я на лучше. Железка, привет.
Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble.
Удочка.
Oh, hello, Mr. Spider.
Что, старичков?
Alright, you got some evidence. Oh, wait. There's no way you're getting through there. There's lots of guys and there's lots of guns, that's all I'm gonna say. It looks like you can get around if you go through that air duct.
Ёп.
Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do?
Вот это электричество. Берем последнюю.
I'm sorry, I just thought you needed some help is all.
Ржака пиздец.
Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do?
Берем среднюю.
Okay, I'll reroute the power to a random room, that's fine.
О, все, включил.
No.
Ожарился.
Alright, Henry, you're almost there. I'm right outside, so just open the bay doors and I'll get you on the chopper. Hey, what are you doing?
Yeah, we got a situation. Cargo bay.
Світло. Пиздец, вертолетик маленький. Ладно, о! Присоска.
Hey, there's a button on your earpiece. You should press it.
What's going? This could be a problem.
Что, проблемки, да?